Trading is not easy. It's so not easy. People don't just understand that it's not easy, but it's something that's very, very simple. Very simple. You may use a strategy, it may work maybe this week, and next week you may find that it's not working as it was working last week. The thing is, we have different market conditions, and new people, when they come to trading, they don't know that. They think that, oh, I was doing that last week, this week it's not working, oh, it's not working, I have to change my strategy. No, you don't have to change the strategy. You need to know what's not working this week. You need to focus on your losses, look at what's not working. And the stuff also that new traders do is they focus so much on the wins. You're gonna win, you're gonna lose, but why are you gonna focus so much on the wins? In order to be profitable, you need to minimize your losses as much as possible, because when you minimize your losses, now your wins appears to be bigger, but it's still the same wins. It's the same wins that you keep taking, but you focus on reducing the losses. Let's say if you were losing like 1% of a $10,000 account is $100. If you were losing $100, for example, and now you manage to lose $50, so you manage to lose 0.5% of your account, and now you may think that, oh, I have bigger wins. Yeah, you have bigger wins, but it's still the same wins because the losses are not smaller. And when the losses are smaller, your win rate is gonna increase, and everything is gonna be looking good for you. So me, what I say to every trader that I talk with, that I network, and when we talk about our difficulties when it comes to trading, I'll tell them, try to focus on reducing your losses. And it's something that I've been doing for the past few months, and it's been working a lot, because now you don't even focus on having bigger wins. You only focus on reducing these losses and let your old wins appear to be bigger by themselves. And when you do that, on the long term, you will see that it will always change your learning curve. It will change your balance curve, equity curve, everything, and you'll be like, wow, that shit is really working. Yeah, it's working because you approach it differently. Don't try to put a time limit on it, because if you put a time limit on it, it's like you're not even believing in yourself. You want to do something by the time you're ready. If you know you're not ready, why are you gonna put a time limit on it? It doesn't make sense. Give it time. And also, you need to practice into the market. You need to participate. Even if you're not trading a real account, even if you're trading a demo, you need to participate into the market almost on a daily basis, I would say. You don't have to take a trade every day, but you need to participate. You can participate in the market by just watching how the chart is moving, watching the pair that you want to trade, to be familiar with the kind of setup, and also to be familiar with the time volume is kicking into the market. That's one of the main things that changed my trading too. Familiar with the time you need to trade. If you don't know what time there's volume in the market, you're always gonna lose your money, because you don't know what time banks are injecting liquidity into the market. You're like, okay, today is like 10 a.m. Okay, let me check the market. No, you need to know when to trade, what type of session to trade, what type of setup you're taking. You need to know all that. That's why you need to have a trading plan. It's very important. So don't focus about the money that you can make to trading. Don't focus about the money that you need to have to start. Focus on only starting and practicing until you see something change. And you're gonna see something change. If you put the effort, if you put the work, you're gonna see something change, because you're gonna make so much mistakes at the beginning, and at the end you're gonna be like, wow, I needed to make those mistakes in order to get where I am today. That's what I have to tell you guys. So make sure you leave a comment down below, subscribe, and peace.